मैं प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर राजेंद्र रघुवीर देशपांडे आप सबका इस इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो में सहर्ष स्वागत करता हूं। चरक संहिता चिकित्सा स्थान रीडिंग विथ संधि विग्रह, प्रोजेक्ट बाय myself Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, and expert in the reading is Dr. Yogita Jamdade Madam. Today we will start Charak Chikitsa Sthan, Chapter 2, Vajikarana, Pad 3, that is Masha Parna Bhritiya, Vajikarana Pad. So let us start the reading with Sandhi Vigraha. My dear friends, try to understand. After reading the Sandhi Vigraha, your topic of understanding will be much more easier and you will develop the definite confidence. So let us have the text in front of you and go on understanding by Sandhi Vigraha.
Myself, Dr. Yogita Jamdade, would like to welcome you in audio session for Charak Samhita review with Sandhi Vigraha. As always, we state that Charakastu Chikitsite means Charak Samhita is the best book for Ayurvedic treatment. We have already started with Chikitsa Sthana and finished Rasayana Pada, Vajikarana and Vajikarana Prathama and Dvitiya Pada. To begin with, I would like to thank Professor Dr. R.R. Deshpande for all time encouragement, support and guidance for such type of projects. Today is Saturday, 25th January 2014. We will start with Vajikarana chapter. Please kindly open your book of Charak Samhita Chikitsa Sthan and open Vajikarana Tritiya Pada. If you have any doubt or difficulty, contact me on 9922991376. Now we will go to the chapter. Vajikarana Adhyaye Tritiyaha Padaha. Atha Ataha Mashaparna Bhrutiyam Vajikarana Padam Vi Akhyasyaamaha. Iti ha Smaha Bhagavan Atreyaha. This chapter begins with Masha Parna Bhrutiya. Masha means black gram. The cow which is eating leaves of black gram is called as Masha Parna Bhruta. Here we can understand the importance of black gram as an aphrodisiac. Mashaparna Bhrutam Dhenum Grushtim Pushtam Chatuhu Stanim Saman Varna Vatsham Cha Jivat Vatsham Cha Buddhiman Rohinim Athava Prushnam Urdhvashungim Adarunam Ikshwadam Arjunadam Va Sandakshiram Cha Dharayet Kevalam tu payaha tasyaha shrutam va ashrutam eva va sharkara kshodra sarpibhihi yuktam tat rushyam uttamam shukralaihi jivaniyaihi cha bruhanaihi balavardhanaihi kshira sanjananaihi cha eva payaha siddham pruthak pruthak युक्तम गोधूम चूर्णेन सघृत क्षौद्र शर्करम पर्यायेण प्रयोक्तव्यम इच्छता शुक्रम अक्षयम मेदाम पयस्याम जीवंतीम विदारिम कंटकारिकाम स्वदंष्टाम शीरिकाम माशान गोधूमान शालिषष्टिकान पयस्य अर्ध उदके पक्त्वा कार्शिकान अढक उन्मिते विवर्जये पयशेषम तत्पूतम क्षौद्र सर्पिषा युक्तम सशर्करम पीत्वा वृद्धः सप्ततिकाः अपि वा विपुलं लभते अपत्यं युवा इव च सरुष्यति. Next is about medicated milk. मंडलैः जातरूपस्य तस्या एव पयः श्रुतम् अपत्यजननं सिद्धं सघृत क्षौद्र शर्करम्. This formulation can be used in practice and it is frequently used by most of the Vaidyas, especially during Pusavana Karma also. Next is about Vrishya Pippali Yoga. Tiushat Supishtaha Pippalyaha Prakunche Taila Sarpishoho Vrishtaha Sasharkara Kshaudraha Shir Dhara Avadohitaha Pitva Yatha Balam Cha Urdhvam Shashtikam Kshira Sarpisha Bhuktva Naratrim Astabdham Lingam Pashyati Naksharat Iti Vrushaha Pippali Yogaha. Vrishya Payasa Yoga. Shvatamshtaya Vidaryaha cha Rase Kshira Chaturgune Ghrutadyaha Sadhito Vrishyo Masha Shashtika Payasaha Iti Vrishya Payasa Yogaha. Vrishya Pupalika. Phalanam Jivaniyanam Snigdhanam Ruchikarinam Kudavaha Churnitanam Syat Swayam Gupta Phalasya cha Kudavaha cha eva Mashanam Gaudvau cha Tilamudgayoho Godhuma Shalichurnanam Kudavaha Kudavo Bhavet Sarpishaha Kudavaha cha ekaha Tat Sarvam Kshiramardhitam Paktva Pupalikaha Khade Bahu Ayaha Syu Yasya Yoshitaha Iti Vrishya Pupalikaha. Next is about Vrishya Shatavari Gruta. Gutam Shatavari Garbham Kshire Dashagune Pachet Sharkara Pippali Kshaudra Yuktam Tat Vrushyam Uttamam Iti Vrushyam Shatavari Grutam. Vrishya Madhuka Yoga. Karsham Madhuka Churnasya Gruta Kshaudra Samaushikam Prayungte Yaha Payaha Cha Anu Nitya Vega Sanabhave Iti Vrishya Madhuka Yoga. This yoga can be used frequently in the practice. Gruta Kshirashano Nirbhihi Nivyadhihi Nityago Yuva Sankalpa Pravano Nityam Naraha Srishu Vrushayate Kruta Eka Krutyaha Siddha Artha Ye Cha Anyonya Anuvartinaha Kalasu Kushalaha Tulyaha Satvena Vayasachaye Kula Mahatmya Dakshinya Shila Shaucha Samanvitaha Ye Kamanitya Ye Rushta Ye Vishoka Gatavyathaha Ye Tulyashila Ye Bhakta Ye Priya Ye Priyamvadaha Taihi Naraha Sah Visrabdhaha Suvayaseihi Vushayate Abhyanga Utsadana Snana Gandha Malya Vibhushanaihi Gruhashaya Asana Sukhaihi Vasovihi Ahataihi Priyaihi Vihanganam Rutaihi Ishtaihi Strinam Cha च अभरण स्वनैः. Abharana means ornaments. संवाहनैः वरस्त्रीणाम् इष्टानां च वृषायते. मत्त वीरेपाचरिताः सपद्माः सलिलाशयाः. जाति उत्पल सुगन्धीनि शीत गर्भ गृहाणि च. नद्याः पेन उत्तरीयाः च गिरयो नीलसानवाः. उन्नतिः नीलमेघानां रम्य चन्द्र उदयानिशाः. वायवः सुखसंस्पर्शाः कुमुद आकरगन्धिनाः. रतिभोगक्षमा रात्र्यः संकोच अगुरुवल्लभाः. सुखाः सहायाः परपुष्टगुष्टाः. फुल्ला वनान्ता विशद अन्नपानाः. गान्धर्व शब्दाः च सुगन्धयोगाः. सत्वं विशालं निः उपद्रवं च. सिद्धार्थता च अभिनवाः च. कामः स्त्री च आयुधं सर्वं इह आत्मजस्य. वयो नवं जातमदाः च कालो हर्षस्य योनिः परमा नराणाम्. तत्र श्लोकः. प्रहर्ष योनयो योगा व्याख्याता दश पंच च. माश पर्णभृतिये अस्मिन् पादे शुक्र बलप्रदाः. इति अग्निवेश कृते तंत्रे चरक प्रतिसंस्कृते चिकित्सा स्थाने वाजीकरण अध्याये माश पर्णभृतीयो नाम वाजीकरण पादः तृतीयाः. To conclude, in Charak Samhita चिकित्सा स्थान द्वितीय अध्याय तृतीय पाद, Charaka has included 15 preparations altogether as a Vajikara. These preparations are mainly herbal based. The role of milk and ghee is also very important. Medicated milk and ghee are mentioned like Shatavari Ghruta. Amongst different preparations, Vrushavati of apart from food recipes and medicines, the role of activities, therapies and environment are important factors in the subject of sexology that is described in this adhyaya. While in previous pada, most of the preparations were animal products like egg, chicken, titti or turkey. So thank you. We will meet you in the next audio session.
Thank you very much, madam. My dear friends, we have today completed Charaka Chikitsa Sthan, chapter 2, Vajikarana, Pad 3, Masha Parna Bhrutiya Vajikarana Pad, reading with Sandhi Vigraha. I hope this scientific propagation of Ayurveda you will definitely like, and you will support this my genuine efforts by sharing this video, by making like of this video, and also WhatsApp me on 922 68 and don't forget, kind request to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best in your studies and exam. Thank you. I wish you all the best. Take care.